New to TikTok and want to learn how to use it? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and this video will be our beginner's guide to TikTok, where I'll teach you all the basics of using the TikTok app. Now let's get started. If you haven't downloaded the TikTok app yet, check out our video on how to download and install TikTok to learn how. If you still need to make a TikTok account, check out our tutorial on how to make a TikTok account next. Links for these tutorials can be found in the description box below. Now, let's dive into the basics of how to use TikTok. The main feed on the TikTok app is called the For You page. When you first start using the app, your For You page will mostly be trending videos and content from popular creators. As you start using the app more, your feed will be personalized to you based on who you follow, the types of videos you engage with the most, topics you've searched for, and more. TikTok's algorithm does a great job of serving users videos they'll be interested in. When watching someone's video, you can use the buttons on the right to check out their profile, follow the creator, like the video, add a comment, save it to your favorites, or share the video. If you tap the sound icon, you can see details about the sound or song they used, as well as see other videos that use the same sound. At the top, you'll notice a few other feeds besides the main For You page. If you tap Following, you'll see just posts from people you follow on TikTok. The Explore page is similar to the Explore page on Instagram, showcasing trending photo and video content that the algorithm thinks you'll enjoy. If you tap Live, you can check out live streams. Scroll down to find more live streams to discover. If you want to search for a specific type of content or find a person you know and you want to follow, you can tap the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner to get to the search page. Here you can type in the name of a creator, song, hashtag, or a topic you want to see content about. This makes it easy to find whatever you're looking for on the TikTok app. To create your own content on TikTok, tap the plus sign in the menu at the bottom to open the camera window. Here you can record a video within the app or upload a photo or video from your device that you've already recorded. Tap one of the options above the record button to choose a maximum length for your TikTok. You can choose 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 10 minutes. If you want to add a sound to your video before recording, tap Add Sound at the top of the screen. Then you can browse trending audio options or search for a specific song you want to use. Tap a sound to listen to a preview of it, and tap the check mark to add it to your video. You can also add fun effects or filters before recording your video if you like. If you want your video to play in slow motion or faster than normal speed, choose the speed you want to record in. When you're ready to start recording, point your camera at whatever you want to record. You can switch between your device's front and back cameras by tapping the circle of arrows in the top right corner. Then tap the record button to begin recording your video. To stop recording, tap the record button again. This way you can record multiple clips. If you want to record all in one clip, you can also just wait for your maximum recording time to run out and it will stop recording automatically. Once you've finished recording your video, tap the check mark on the right to proceed to editing. Here you can make changes to your video's sound, add text, stickers, effects, and filters. If you're looking to do more advanced editing, tap the edit icon to access the Studio Editor. Here you can do more advanced editing with overlays and effects. Check out our in-depth tutorial on how to use the TikTok Studio Editor to learn more. When you're finished editing your video and ready to post it, you can tap Your Story to share it as a temporary post, or tap Next to post it as a regular TikTok video. Now you can add a caption for your video, tag your friends, and add hashtags if you like. You can then save it as a draft if you aren't ready to post it yet, or if you're ready to share your video to your profile, tap Post at the bottom. You can see all of your posts by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Edit to customize your TikTok profile. Once you start posting on TikTok, you may receive likes or comments. Tap Inbox at the bottom to see your notifications and messages. Here you'll be notified when you get new followers or interactions with your content, as well as replies to any comments you post on other people's videos. You can also message with your friends on TikTok and share videos with each other. At the top, you'll see any stories and live streams from creators you follow. Tap 1 to check it out. That does it for our beginner's guide to TikTok. To learn more about specific TikTok features and get helpful tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials for beginners. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.